Hey, what up? My name's Chelsea and I can't put on eyelashes. They're not even attached to my eyeballs. If you relate to not being able to put on eyelashes, thumbs up as well, because I feel like there's a lot of us who can't do it. Okay guys, I don't know what lashes I'm using, but I'm using these ones, so I'm using the Salon Perfect eyelash glue. So yay. This is just gonna end with me crying a lot. I could use the tweezers, but it'll be easier if I don't. Ugh. Oh, oh my gosh. It burns so bad. Ah, ah. This looks so good. How do people do this? You guys are talented. This is so hard. I thought that this would be the easy eye to do. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. It looks really good, don't you think? 10 out of 10. Hire me for all your lash needs. Don't for real. Don't do it. It's a trap. It's a knife. Okay. Lash, round 2. Let's do it. Oh, why does it burn so much? Oh my gosh. Why does it burn? Good job, Chelsea. Good work. Hey, that one's like 5 inches from my eyelash. Oh my gosh. This ended so bad. Maybe if I apply like mascara, maybe it'll look better. I feel like that just made it worse. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe up here, and I hope to see you guys next time.